Hello! Welcome to your morning routine using facial oils. The most important point is to always start with a damp skin. Oils don't bring moisture into the skin, so you need a so-called humectant to give them a hydrating base. Organic glycerin is my favorite. Apply a very small amount to your wet skin. Don't wait for your skin to dry, immediately follow with a facial oil. 3 drops are really the maximum that you should apply. Applying too much of a product on too dry of a face is the most common mistake. I use just 1 drop and it's enough to keep my skin moisturized for a whole day. When applied to a wet skin, the oil will absorb quickly and you can even help it a little bit by using a face roller. And voila! You are ready to apply your makeup if you wish. Thanks very much for watching. So your new, easy morning ritual goes like this: splash, hydrate, activate.